Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on app protection on Android phone. Okay, first of all, you can open your settings application on your Android phone and you're going to scroll down until you find the device care setting. This one, we're going to open it. And if you want to turn on the app protection, we can click on the app protection right here and we can click on turn on to activate it. Okay, and now the app protection has been activated, and for better protection you can scan your phone. Tap on the scan phone option and you have to wait until 100% or until the scanning process has been completed. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn on app protection on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.